But technology behind the product is massively different from anything that's currently available in the market.
We're taking a standard product and offering up to 19 different output voltages in 4 user selectable outputs in the product.
I think XP are a really group of talented guys. They've got a friendly and can-do approach.
And it's just leaps and bounds above anything that's out there at the moment.
Hello, my name is Nick Wood. I'm a business correspondent and presenter with television and radio, and in recent years I've been following the progress of XP Power. Today I wanted to talk to you about one of their new products. It's called the Nanoflex, and in the next couple of minutes in this video report I'm going to introduce you to some of its innovative features and benefits.
Nanoflex is a compact AC/DC power supply. It measures only 4.2 by 11.4 by 1.65 inches, and that low profile means it can go into 1U 19-inch applications. It's a efficient, flexible, programmable, configurable power supply, and that means that we can tailor the product to suit exact requirements of customer applications.
Nanoflex is a really unique product. We've gone to the nth degree on the design. We've gone through every stage of the conversion process to make sure we maximise the efficiency. That has multiple effects. The customer has to have less fan cooling to keep their product cool, but ultimately makes their product much more reliable.
We're offering the customer up to 19 different output voltages with up to 4 user selectable outputs in that product, which negates the need for customised development. And so we're building that from a proven hardware base and configuring it to suit the exact application. As you can see, the fans there centrally mounted inside the unit. That whole assembly is removable, so we can take that out, we can turn it around and put it in the other way.
Why is that relevant?
Well, because when the customer puts this product into their system, they might have their airflow from front to back or back to front, and we need to configure the power supply to match those system airflow requirements without having to change anything else in the product.
Quite often, you may need a custom power supply to fulfill an application need. But with Nanoflex, because of its flexibility, you can tailor it very, very simply within 24 hours and deliver it to the customer.
The things that are compelling for me about the Nanoflex range are the versatility that it allows with the digital configuration and the monitoring of the statistics and parameters inside the power supply, which will be good to use during development when perhaps we need to make adjustments. But then when we move into a production part of the life cycle, we can also use those for monitoring the power supply during its life and making sure that it's performing within specification and that we get the uptime that our customers demand of our machines.
As you can see here, we've also developed a graphical user interface, or GUI, for the product. And what that does is it allows the customer to get our product and start using the features of it immediately without the need for them to develop code or digital programs in order to interface with the product. It's a brilliant development tool because it allows the customer to really tailor the product to their equipment. And at the end of that, even if they're not using digital control, they can tell us exactly what they need and we can configure that for them. There are products in that similar space. I think what we've done with Nanoflex is we've taken it a step further. We've made a very compact product, given a lot more flexibility to the customer, a lot more control to the customer about how they use the unit. And once they've determined exactly what they want that product to look like, we can take that information and build that for them every time from our configuration facility.
It's just leaps and bounds above anything that's out there at the moment.